Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have January's magic at your door. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my January magic at your door just arrived. This is I think the earliest that I have received it in the month, and normally when I get that notification, I'm like, it's just gonna say it's lost, it's delayed, it's gonna take several days, which it normally does, and this time it actually came a day earlier than it was supposed to. So here we go. Let's see what type of magic was just delivered to my door. Again, this is January 2021's box. And let's dive in. It's always such a tight fit. Okay, so you always have this on top, and then that is what it's going to look like this month. Okay, so now that I've removed all of the products, this is a nice box filled with packing. You can save this for gift baskets or to use for anything, but I normally do save all mine, especially when I send giveaways to you guys. It helps me protect my boxes, so I always keep it, but they have a lot in there. So there's that. So then what was down inside of the box? The first one is right here. This is from Jim Shore. Now on my last unboxing, I did get a Winnie the Pooh product that I had on my wish list, and that's honestly the only one that I really wanted. This one is valued for $45, and that is what it looks like. Let's see on the inside. And that is what it looks like on the inside. It's really cute, and I like how he's holding this little heart and how it has the different colors in there. I'll probably just set it next to the other ones with all my other Jim Shore things just to keep them all in the same collection. But the other one was the only one that I really wanted. But now I have another Tigger. Or now I have an additional Tigger. But he's so cute. And then the balloon kind of moves a little bit like that. So there's the first item. Then there is Ariel Disney Ears. I already have these. I got them in a different box when I was trying out different Disney subscriptions to figure out which one to stay with. And so I do already have these. I'll show you a picture right here with me right here. I always do this, and I think I always put them here of me actually wearing them. I absolutely love Ariel, so I love my ears. I just don't need two of them. So there's that. Then there is a pin set. I am collecting Disney pins, so I will put this in with the rest of mine. The way that they are like the funky characters, I'm not too fond of, but I guess I'll just add them to my Disney pin collection. So more to add to my pin holder. So there's that. And this says that it's valued at $27.99. So this was $45, $27.99, and the ears are $29.99. And then the last item, that's right, that's just in here. So they sent last month's pin. This month, it's still like the same kind of thing. They're still working on this month. So there's no update on January's pin, but they did send December's pin. And she's thick, looks like she opens. So that's what the front of it looks like. It says 2020 December, very cute. Has the 2 on the back. And then, does it slide open? Yeah, it slides open, hold on. I can get my finger out of the way. There we go. How cute. It says Season's Greetings on one side, and then there's the Disney tree on the other side. I've never seen one open, so I don't know if this is the first time they've done this or if they just do it every now and then, but that's really neat. Gives it curb appeal. So December's pin, and we'll find out what happens with January. And then the last thing is down in here, and this is a Pandora Charm, and I'm really excited about this. So I can add it to my Disney Pandora bracelet, but it's the glass charm, and it's blue, and it has just the Disney Mickey head right on top. So it just has Mickey's head, 3 different spots going around. So now I can add that to my Disney bracelet. So I'm super excited about this guy. So I have a new Jim Shore piece. I have this that I'm super excited about. We have the Disney pin from last month. And then we have some pins and some ears. So comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? What did you think of the items that they sent to me? Everybody's box is going to be completely different. I don't think they probably do two of the same based on your profile, what your likes are, what's on your wish list, what they have available, that kind of thing. And then when you do get something from your wish list, like this is on my wish list, now I can go back in and remove this from my wish list so I don't get it again. So that is everything that I have to show you for this January box, you guys. If you want a little bit more information about Magic at Your Door, I do have a link down below. It'll take you directly to their site. If you use the code MAGICSAVE10, you get $10 off any subscription box or the $1.99 or $2.99 mystery boxes as well. So for this particular box is the gold box. It's $124.99 plus shipping is an addition. The silver is $99.99. And then again, they have the $2.99 and the $1.99 one-time box, no commitment, and they're all fully customizable, and you have that profile and the wish list and all of that as well. So again, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.